What's up, y'all? So this is my $40,000 mobile home that I purchased here in North Carolina, and it looks a little different than the thumbnail. I didn't record building the porch or putting the skirting up, so I needed to work fast before it got cold so I could get the power pole set by the power company. Take a tour here. It's a little messy right now. Been putting all the tools inside, but this is the living room, the kitchen. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It needs a lot of work. This thing hasn't been lived in for years. It was kind of abandoned and forgot about. And I initially bought it when I was looking for land, and I came across this. It was for sale as a land deal. It was too good of a deal to pass up, at least in my head. And I'm just going to go room to room, kind of fixing this up to be able to use. So probably going to start with this bathroom here, tear everything out, redo it, and then redo a bedroom so I can actually stay down here while I'm fixing it up. Put up a mini split, got that thing going. Still got to put up drywall for it. It's a work in progress. You guys to follow along and see how it all turns out.